welcome back. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. As you guys know, you're tuned in to the best finance channel on YouTube. My name is Nigel MrSchroeter, and I'm going to be introducing you to some prepaid options through Navy Federal. If you have not heard about them before, specifically today, we're going to be talking about the Go Prepaid as well as the Visa Bucks card. Now, the Go Prepaid is a prepaid Visa card through Navy Federal that has no monthly fees, as well as you're able to set up a um, companion card holder, which would be a basically like an authorized user. You can have almost like a joint prepaid account. You can access this prepaid card in the app, as well as you can use the same Visa card at any Navy Federal ATM or any ATM within the Navy Federal network. Another great thing about the Go Prepaid is that this card has a load limit of $10,000. So you are able to put up to $10,000 on this card, as well as keeping it with the zero liability fraud policy. So if your card is to get stolen, and someone else was to get access to your account, you wouldn't really have to worry about it because they're going to give you your funds back in the event that there is proven to be fraud. Now, the next thing, and this has kind of been the talk of the hour recently, is the Visa Bucks card. This is a card that you could set up for your teens. They have to be at least 13. And with this Visa Bucks card, um, they are actually able to choose some cool designs for their card, which is one thing that I do love about this card. It is going to come with that Bucks labeling on it. Um, you, as the parent, can load money onto your teen's card. You can monitor how they spend their money, and you can use this as a gateway to an actual bank account to teach them how to manage their money and their finances. This card can be accessed in the mobile app, both for the parent and the teen, as well as still being protected by that zero liability fraud policy. Um, this is great because this card is accepted anywhere that any other Navy Federal Visa is accepted. So, if you want to teach your kids budgeting, holiday shopping, whatever it may be, um, where they may, spend their money off of their card, and give them that sense of responsibility. They can buy, things online, um, as well as in stores. And the whole time that they have access to this account, you're able to actually also see everything that's going on from your perspective. So once again, you can set weekly limits on this card, which is another thing that's great. So you can stop your teen from binge spending or overspending. Um, you can get text messages that will update you and your teen on the card activity and the card balance. So it's great to teach responsibility. And that way you can kind of say, well, hey, I noticed that you spent, you know, $20 on ice cream. Maybe you could have, gone to Walmart and bought a gallon. Or you can kind of help your teen think about their transactions and how they're spending their money. Um, and you can also authorize your family members and friends who are members to be able to add money to your teen's account. So this is great for helping your teen grow their account. The um, the card does have protection and emergency assistance. Um, so they can get roadside assistance if necessary. It is pay per use. Um, you know, and if there is a theft or damage to any of their personal items or anything, they are insured. So, just another great thing to have, um, on this card, another great feature. So basically, to set up for this card, it's going to take you about 15 minutes. social security number, date of birth, and address for your child, um, and yourself, and you're going to be able to set up that um, that username and password for your child, as well as being able to monitor that account. And your child basically will have to have their email, as well as choose their card design, and then they're able to um, take advantage of that. And then, of course, the Navy Federal prepaid mobile app is where they're going to access um, this card. So once again, take advantage of both of these cards. You have the Go Prepaid and the Visa Bucks card. The Go Prepaid, has pretty much all those same features. However, with it being an adult card, um, you do have slightly different limits, whereas your point of sale limit is 3,000 per day, and you can withdraw up to 600 a day, as well as only being able to put um, 10,000 on that card. Um, so take advantage of this. Look into it. It is a great program. Both programs, make sure that they suit your needs. And of course, I always recommend that if you are eligible for Navy Federal, that you go ahead and open up one of those free checking accounts anyway. With that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.